Hello, this is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. My guest is Mr. Shigeyoshi Uehara from Yokogawa. He is Vice President of IA Systems and Service Business at the headquarters of Yokogawa in Tokyo, Japan. Uehara-san, welcome and thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much for this opportunity, Harry.
It's nice to see you in video. I wish to see you in person, and we have met in person several times, but maybe next year we'll be in person, but for now this will have to do.
Yeah, I hope so.
2020 has been a very difficult year for every company and many, many people. What do you see as Yokogawa's accomplishments in 2020, and which of these will further your value proposition for your customers?
Okay, one thing I'd like to emphasize is that we keep investing to deliver new value to our customers, even in this difficult time. Nowadays, our customers are very interested in digital transformation and smart factory initiative that will enable industrial autonomy. Yokogawa calls this shift IA to IA, industrial automation to industrial autonomy. Collaborative Information Server, which was just released in January, allows immediate improvement to production efficiency and reduction of operational maintenance while building a digital transformation framework. The first step in digital transformation is digitalization of plant. This requires changing a huge amount of data across each site and plant into value-added information that can be used for plant operations or business improvement. Without this mechanism, it would be extremely complicated and difficult to realize the transformation to overall data-driven optimization. Through smart management of the various data and information from production and operation at individual plants, Collaborative Information Server can achieve system integration and combine operation monitoring of the many systems that make up the plants. Collaborative Information Server provides a foundation of many other DX initiatives, such as remote operations, digital twin, big data analytics, and AI, and so on. Although we have many other accomplishments in 2020, I'd like to highlight the release of Collaborative Information Server. Thank you.
Okay. I would certainly say, Uehara-san, that Yokogawa has been promoting this vision of autonomy for much longer than, for many years before it became so fashionable. But we are always hearing about disruptive technologies at ARC. We are looking for technologies that may disrupt their way onto the plant floor. So in Yokogawa's view, in your view, what do you see as disruptive technologies that will have the greatest effect on your customers, and what are you doing about this?
Yeah, to answer your question directly, I'd say digital twin. Among the many emerging technologies in the process industry today, we feel that the digital twin is one of the most powerful technologies. The concept is rapidly evolving, and many people think of a digital twin as a representative of hardware, such 3D CAD model, because it is easy to visualize, but actually it's just one digital twin application. New approach and the technology have opened up a new range of possibilities. There's now a broader definition of digital twin, not just things such as sensors or machines, but also systems, humans, and processes. Yokogawa has been offering a broad digital twin portfolio for a long time, through our subsidiaries, Omega Simulation and KBC. Applications range from emulation of manufacturing asset to value chain and enterprises. Our digital twin technology uses a first principle model which simulates the performance of an asset. This is the same model used in process simulator. However, unlike simulator, the digital twin is an accurate presentation of the asset, not just a particular operating case, but over its full range of operation all the time. The digital twin operates at multiple levels and help with asset management, predictive maintenance, production optimization, value chain optimization, and enterprise insights. They deliver benefits including higher profitability, improved reliability and safety, higher return on investment, and greatly improved productivity. That's my answer. Thank you.
Uehara-san, we find interest in industrial IoT is continuing to grow among the end user customers. And how is Yokogawa able to support this market trend? And could you perhaps tell us about some of your successes in the past year?
Again, we have many success stories, but especially related to the leverage of market trend, I'd like to introduce our wireless industry IoT solution. Last year, we expanded the lineup of our wireless industrial IoT solution called Sushi Sensor, with a new release of pressure and temperature sensors. The new sensors allow the online collection of the data from equipment such as tanks and furnaces. They supplement the integrated wireless vibration sensor, which we launched in 2018. The expanded sensor lineup allows for equipment conditioning monitoring based on the wider variety of plant data. This enables customers to reduce equipment inspection man-hours and detect signs of equipment problems at an early stage. They are cost-effective, of course, and a 24/7 solution. In addition to continuously monitoring asset, our Sushi Sensor works with a portfolio of AI-based analytics in the cloud as well as on-premise. Machine learning algorithms that have learned normal operation can perform health assessment and detect anomalies much more quickly. They have the potential to predict maintenance frame time, which can be scheduled with the necessary parts and the resources. This helps prevent additional damage and the running of asset to failure, which then requires unscheduled maintenance. This is one of the examples, a success story leveraging market trend, in this case, IoT, sensors, and AI. Thank you.
Uehara-san, this past year has certainly taught us that customers are very dependent, increasingly dependent on services from their automation and from their enterprise solution suppliers. They know that this year because of so much disruption. They need a team, including their suppliers, to keep their production running smoothly and efficiently. So what have you done for your customers in this regard in this time of special need?
My answer in general, Yokogawa takes care of everything if it's not customer's core competence. Last year, we launched OpEx Managed Service, which is a part of our OpEx lifecycle service portfolio. OpEx Managed Service is provided on a digital integrated service platform that enables real-time data collection from any field devices, control system, network, and computer assets. The platform supports both conditional-based predictive maintenance and incident management by integrating asset performance, compliance, and security insights into a single dashboard. Using this platform, Yokogawa provides proactive maintenance services to monitor customers' assets and deliver optimized maintenance services over the entire plant lifecycle. By leveraging the OT, operational technology, IT, and plant maintenance know-how that we have developed over decades, Yokogawa can help customers to improve availability, optimize maintenance cost, and manage risks. OPEX managed service addresses industry needs by bringing people, process, and technology together and enabling the digital transformation of the maintenance activity. Then, back to my first word, Mr. Customer, please focus on your core competence and Yokogawa takes care of the rest. That's the answer.
Okay. When you talk about a core competence, that implies that partnership is very important, not just for your end user who partners with you, but also for Yokogawa. And this is a very competitive market. No one needs to tell you that. So could you share with us some of the thinking that you have in Yokogawa about the processes that you go through for choosing and working with your company's partnership programs?
Okay, we are constantly evaluating the potential partners in our spirits of co-innovation. And a lot of our recent partnerships works toward sustainability, SDGs, of course. One new partnership is with US-based power factors designed for solar, wind, and energy storage assets. Power Factor's cloud-based platform delivers the tools and insights needed to optimize the cost of energy and simplifies the integration of large, diverse fleets of renewable energy assets. The combination of Power Factor's flagship asset performance management platform and Yokogawa's industrial automation system and the global service network gives owners and operators the ability to use standardized hardware infrastructure and software interface across their different plants for more efficient management and analysis. We have also signed an investment and partnership agreement with Japan Environment Planning, Nihon Kankyo Sekkei. Of course, it's a Japanese company with a unique chemical recycling technology for polyester material. Companies that use polyester resins as materials are looking to increase the ratio of recycled material in their products. Japan Environment Planning and Yokogawa will work together to expand the use of this leading-edge recycling process. We are also focused on biotechnology. We have entered into a partnership agreement with Inspero AG, a pioneer in the development of the 3D in vitro technology for drug discovery and safety. The two companies aim to establish and advance methods for the use of high content analysis in drug discovery and safety assessment. We have more, but these are the recent partnerships which I'd like to introduce.
Uehara-san, across all types of industries, ARC always hears about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Regardless of the industry or the application, people are really interested in AI and ML, as we call it, for short. Can you tell us about the solutions that your company is developing for artificial intelligence and machine learning? Where does it fit for you?
Okay, thank you giving me that opportunity. Yes, we are developing. And while artificial intelligence is not a new technology, actually I learned fuzzy control in my university period over 30 years ago. But its deployment in application directly on the plant floor is increasing recently. We have been working on solving a variety of customers' issues by applying AI technology and have been able to solve more than 50 cases worldwide. During this exercise, we have learned that AI or machine learning alone couldn't solve the issues. The combination of process knowledge, which Yokogawa has, and AI is the key for solutions. Not only machines, but also we as human beings are learning. Another example is that in 2020, we launched AI-enabled paperless recorder. This is quite unique, and the data logging software. This new AI functionality developed by Yokogawa that enable the drawing of the predicted data or waveforms. Actually, we can draw the future, then we call it future pen. Yokogawa also released a new industrial IA platform called ERT3+, which enable the development of AI application using the Python machine learning libraries with environmentally robust hardware. The platform is certified by the latest cloud services such as Microsoft Azure Edge and AWS IoT Greengrass. By combining AI applications on Yokogawa's hardware with these cloud services, we can create new value at each level in each industry. And lastly, we have demonstrated a solution that used AI exclusively to control that water level in the 3-tier tank. In the future, PID control, very basic technology of control, could be replaced by AI. This was very powerful demonstration of the effectiveness of our AI solution in plant. We are now making this not only a cloud-based solution, but have also incorporated it into our edge device. Our solution were freely mobilized on premises as edge or cloud as software because Yokogawa covers both operational technology, information technology means customers' production, as well as businesses. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate you sharing your views with us, Uehara-san. And I hope next year that we will be sitting face-to-face to talk rather than talking over a Zoom call.
Yeah, thank you, Harry. Yeah, we really hope the world becomes better, world have the better situation in next year. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It was a great pleasure. And this is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. My guest has been Mr. Shigeyoshi Uehara, Vice President of Yokogawa. Uehara-san, next year, face-to-face.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.